Hey y'all, today we have a 6500 LL Penn Spinfisher that I can't reproduce the issue on camera, but whenever he's fighting a fish and the oscillation, it's at the top of the oscillation, it does a skipping thing, so like that. I think you've seen it or heard it before. I doubt it's the gears, but I don't know. So I guess we'll find out. Anyhow, so let's try that and see. I gotta get it back to the top. And it only happens at the top, or in that general area. Yeah, so we're gonna open it up and see if you can see what's happening inside or what it looks like. So we're gonna leave the cover on, the spool on, because we want to try to add some stress to that, to the line. Could just be that. That's pretty loose. This could be flipping into into bait feeder mode. I want to open this up here. Maybe not. So let's open this up. Excuse me. All right, so let's see if all these things are looking like they're functional. That definitely looks functional. I think someone may have watched one of my videos and did that right there, thinking that would solve the problem on whatever on whatever's happening here. Unless someone else did that, I don't know. So let's see. Oh, the teeth look good. It's not this. That's interesting. And if you're wondering where I'm not touching down here, it's because the customer doesn't want to keep the live liner function if it's going to incur ordering parts for there. So I'm going to remove this and see if that works. I mean, that's only engaged by this, so I don't see why it would. Could it be something up here in the the spool. Man, I don't really know. I think I need to seek some help for this. Again, it only happens when it's going down. And yeah, I checked the gears if that was a question. But if that were a question, it would happen up and down. But the gears are fine. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work either for removing this. I mean, it might. Maybe this is too high up. I don't know. Let's remove it and find out. We'll see. We'll do that first. All right. See you guys in a bit. Okay, that didn't work. So I guess I'm going to end up having to replace the ratchet for the dog on the bottom and just giving this guy live liner features, because there's no way for me to get around it without fixing the bottom drag. So let me show you what I'm gonna. I mean, I'll break it down first and see how it looks. But from the outside, they all look. The parts that I'm thinking of look pretty good. And the only reason I was thinking maybe it was the actuator that goes up and down to engage and disengage the live liner feature was because it only happens when the spool is going down. So in any event, so we're going to replace that dog or ratchet inside there, and I'm going to replace this claw right here as well. All right, so when I do that, I'll test it out again, and then I will let you know what the results are. All right, so we got this to work, which is good. The tensioner and the rear drag wasn't working. The live liner feature wasn't working. But the tensioner on the bottom was set all the way to the bottom, and it was stuck in there. So I had to refurbish that and kind of get that out of there and clean everything up. And now it works, but it works at the highest setting of live liner drag down to, I don't know, maybe about halfway down, about there. If it goes any lower than that, then you'll still encounter that same skipping noise. So essentially what's happening is that pawl inside is slipping down when you take too much drag off of it. So the pawl is probably a little bit damaged, and the ratchet looks fine, but that might be a little bit damaged as well. But he has live liner, which is good, and he doesn't even want it. So for me to make that work where it didn't do the skipping, I had to make the live liner work and get that tightened up more than it was, because it was super loose before. All right, so I hope that helped some of you guys out there. It helped me. It was a good learning process. I've never come across that before, so that was interesting and a nice challenge to have. In any event, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell notification thingy so you get notified of new videos that I put out. Let your friends know about the channel, and certainly by all means make comments or ask any questions you have. All right, thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see y'all next time.